wakes up and he looks out the window and he goes, oh, it snowed. There's snow. Have you guys seen snow before? Yeah? Yeah, it's pretty exciting when there is no snow and then you wake up in the morning and there is snow. So Peter's very excited. Oh, and then he gets ready to go outside. And that's what makes me think of that song, Alex, right? Because he's got to get all dressed. So it's about to wear my hat, and I wear my scarf, and I wear my coat, and I wear my pants, and I wear my boots to keep me nice and warm in the winter when it's cold. We do a tremolo with our voice. Cold. Outside, side. So there he is, all dressed up, and he goes outside. And there in the snow, look what he sees. Footprints is right. He's doing that, right? He's making footprints. He put his feet like this, okay? So if we could have adults kind of over to the chairs or on the chairs, or if you want to dance with us, that's fine too. This is going to be our dance floor, so we need to clear a big space because we have to put our feet like this and go walking through the snow. Okay, can you do that? Can you see how he's making those prints? He wants the prints to be so his feet are out. So he's walking in the snow like that. Yeah. And then look, then he puts his feet like this. And then he makes prints in the snow like that. Yeah. With the toes pointed in. That feels really weird. And then, look what kind of tracks he makes. Long tracks. He makes long tracks. And adults, you are welcome if you want to do this with us. If you want to carry Ethan, he probably would love to make long tracks in this. Oh, and now look here. Look here. How is he doing that? How do you think he's doing that track? You know what? He found a stick, and he's dragging the stick. So he's sliding his feet, but he's dragging the stick. Oh boy, now look. What's he doing now? Yeah, snowball fight, right? Yeah, he's throwing some snowballs. So let's make some snowballs. Oh. Not at the face, not at the face. Keep it safe. Okay. And then look what he does. Lays down. Snow. You guys, you look like you're experienced here. Snow angels. Woo-hoo. Yes. Snow. Bravo. Snow angels. But then he hears, Peter. It was his mother calling for him to come back in because she knew he was getting very wet and very cold. And so he took off all his wet clothes and got into his bathtub. Oh, that feels so good. That warm water. Mom had splash in the tub, yeah. Mom had a great bath ready, bubbles. But then, guess what he said? This is the funniest part. He goes, now I'm going to get back in my bed and take a nap. And he curled up in his bed. Good night, Peter. Good night. Okay, now everybody stand up. And let's do it with our snowy day music. Some of you,
stand up with me.
If you have the Kids Can Listen, Kids Can Move CD, this is track number 2 from Kids Can Listen, Kids Can Move.
Stand up with me.
Kind of our classic. It's got all our goodbye songs, all our classical
Mama, do what I do.
pieces on there. Here we go. Oh. Oh. It snowed last night. So what does he tracks going in. Oh, here we go. We got our tracks.
Without me.
Now take a stick. Let's make 3. Oh. Snow angels! Snow No snow angels? Wait, is that my mom? Oh, it's mom. Oh, she's got it back. Oh, take off all this wet clothes. I'm so cold. I'm so glad mom called me. Oh, good. Oh, we're back. Splash in the tub. Oh, splash. Oh, I want to get on my pajamas. I just want to get my pajamas back on, and I'm going to crawl into my bed, and I'm going to go back to sleep. I don't think they're quite ready to go to sleep yet. Yeah.